Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to unlock the speed limit on the Dalat V1 dual battery beast edition in 2025. Okay, so as you can see, now I'm gonna turn on the bike and I'm gonna press the highest pedal assist mode. Okay, so the bike only go 32 kilometers per hour, which is the legal speed for all the e-bike across Canada. In order to remove this speed limit and bring it to maximum 50 kilometers per hour, you guys gonna do these following steps. So first thing first is long press the middle button here. Okay, and then press it again to select B08. Okay, so at B08 you guys gonna long press the down button. Okay, and then it's gonna ask for the password. So for this model, the password gonna be 8252. Okay, and then press the middle button again. Then now you are able to increase the speed on this bike. Okay, let's bring it to 50 kilometers, which is the maximum speed of this bike. Okay, and then just long press the middle button again to save the setting. Okay, so this time after put the speed limit to 50 kilometers per hour, the bike gonna go at its max speed, which is 50 kilometers per hour. Okay guys, so that's how you guys unlock the speed limit on this model. And if you guys like videos like this, just give me a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one guys.